Hello everybody, my name is Emily and I will be your new specialist. I'm so excited to share my music with you, although I don't see you guys in person. However, I'll be with you, and I'm pretty sure that we'll have so much fun and you'll learn so much thing. Thank you for having me. Today we are going to focus on the Standard of Excellent book, page 13. Page 13. Before we start it, I want you to take a big breath in and big breath out. Let's do it one more time. Out. Okay. Before we start learning the piece, let's do a little warm up. So I want you to play in B flat major, which is mean flatten B, note B, and flatten note E. For example, B flat major. Okay, so that's a B flat major. For warming up, I want you to play it in whole notes, which mean 4 beats. And between two notes, I want you to take a big breath. So da da, and then stop and take a big breath. Dee da, take a big breath. And remember, and keep going, and remember to the top note, I want you to repeat the notes. Let's get started. Take a big breath. Stop. 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 And then repeat the note. Last two. Great. And the next thing I want you guys to do is two half notes. Two half notes in same notes. So it's da da day day dee dee da da, like that. And remember, for this time I don't want you to repeat the notes. Let's get started. sorry if I make the mistake on breathing, but remember it's 2 notes and then you take a breath. Okay, for the next thing we are going to do is quarter notes. So same scale but with quarter notes. For this one I want to challenge you to do 4 notes and then take a breath. For example, is da 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 dee 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 da 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 like that. And remember, I want you to take your time on breathing. So take as much as air you want and breathe. Take as much as breath you want and then play. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, and take as much as time you want. Great. And the next thing that we are going to do is eighth notes. So same thing. I want to challenge you with 4 notes, and then you take a big breath and remember to take your time on your breathing. Let's try. Okay. And remember, when you play this eighth note, I want you to play an even eighth notes. I don't want you to short long. I want all even. Like we just did the scale. And the second thing I want you to look at is the dynamic. Mezzo forte. So not too loud and not too quiet. And I see, and the third thing I saw is moderato. What's moderato? Moderato means not fast, right? Not fast. Basically, it's a little bit not that fast and not that slow. So before we start, I want you to clap the rhythm with the metronome. I would set the tempo to around 90, and I want you to clap with metronome. So rest. Great. And remember, for this one, when I clap, it was 4/4. I want you to do it in cut time. What's cut time? Cut time means 2/2. So each one measure, instead of 4 beats, is convert to 2 beats. For example, So when we do 90, so each beat, each click mean half notes. So when we clap, so everything cut to 2. So 4 4, when we have cut time, it's mean 2 2. Let's try a little bit slower. Tempo is 80, and let's sing with the metronome. So the first note is B flat. Okay, and remember the note B flat. Let's sing with the metronome. Da 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 da. Rest. Da 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 da. And that's it. And let's play with our flute on. And and remember when you play, I want your neck to have a straight line. And when you play, I want you to relax your shoulder and stand tall. And your head is like there's like a string, a line pulling you up. So when you play, I want you to play the posture. It's like straight line, and relax shoulder. Let's play it with metronome. And that's it. And for the second one, 59 oats, peas, beans. Oats, peas, beans, sorry. So that's a cute name. It's an American folk song, and I see the key signature is B flat, E flat, and A flat. Remember to play that. B flat, E flat, and A flat. So that's an E flat major, right? And for each measure, there's 2 beats. Let's clap. And and for this, it's same moderato, so it's the same, almost the same tempo. Let's turn on the metronome. 80. Let's clap. And that's it. And that's A melody. Let's try B melody. B line. B line is cut time, so it's different. B line is different. Like I said, there's 4 used to 4 beat. Let's convert to 2 beats. So for each measure, there's only 2 beats. So there's like a quarter notes. That means when we have a cut time, that's a quarter. That's a eighth note instead. Okay, let's try with the A line first. So it looks like B line is the same, but it's just with cut time, but which mean but they're played the same way. Let's try with the B line. Great. And that's it for today's lesson. I want you to focus on um, beats and focus on breathe in and breathe out. And remember, when you play the eighth notes, I want you to even the notes instead of short long, short long. And yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.